Are you a web designer or developer looking for an easy, affordable way to create lightweight SVG animations? Tools like After Effects or Lottie can feel overwhelming and expensive when all you want is a simple icon animation. That's why I created a pure SVG animation tool that uses CSS Keyframes. You can easily animate SVGs, whether you are adjusting strokes, transforming elements, rotating them, or changing fill and stroke colors. Once your animation is ready, you can export it as a single SVG file, fully self-contained, or a separate CSS file, giving you complete control. Here's how it works. Start by uploading your SVG, and the app will automatically split your file into layers. Let's make the bell sway from the left to right. For example, change the rotation to -45 degrees and set the transform origin to the center. Then repeat the process for the last keyframe to create a smooth looping effect. You can add a middle keyframe too. Set the rotation to 45 degrees with the same transform origin. Adjust the animation length and you've got a smooth swaying motion. For additional details, let's add sway to the clapper by tweaking the keyframes. Move it 2 pixels on the horizontal axis for the first keyframe, -2 pixels for the middle, and 2 pixels again for the last keyframe. Adjust the keyframe positions to create a natural movement. And don't forget, you can also experiment with stroke width and color changes to bring your animation to life. When you are done, download your animated SVG and use it anywhere. Give it a try and let me know what you think. I'm still improving the app, so your feedback will be incredibly helpful. Fill out the feedback survey and stay tuned for more updates and tutorials. See you in the next video.